Hello everyone, welcome back to another camera review, and today in this video I like to share you guys Google Pixel 8 camera test after Android 15. Google Pixel come with a dual camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 10.5 megapixel selfie camera. This smartphone all the camera you can record highest 4K 60 fps video, and this is 4K 60 fps video sample back camera from Pixel 8, and this smartphone also record 1080, 30, 60, 120 fps and 240 fps slow-mo video with EIS and OIS. So as you can see that the overall video quality is good, and this smartphone long time full review coming very soon, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Alright, let's now talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a pretty much good photo with a lot of details, all the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness pretty good. We also know that Pixel are known for camera smartphone, so this smartphone is also very good for camera, and Pixel always give you natural picture. Now let's talk about 12 megapixel ultra wide picture quality. Yeah, the picture is not as good as the main camera. The color correction dynamic range is okay, but you can missing some details and sharpness. Overall the ultra wide camera quality is decent, but the good thing is the smartphone take a very good portrait pictures, and as you can see that the picture quality is too good. Color are very accurate and picture look too much good. Let me know in the comment section below, do you guys like this Google Pixel 8 camera quality? Now let's talk about the night photography. Google are also famous for night mode photography. As you can see that all the images look too much good. If you have a good lighting condition, you can take a pretty much good photo with a lot of details. All the image color correction and sharpness is excellent. Overall the camera quality is excellent. If you're looking for a budget friendly camera smartphone, so Google Pixel 8 is the best choice for you. So if you are using Google Pixel 8, let me know in the comment section below your thought. Okay, that's pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.